In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a project private in Asana the easy way. Whether you're managing a small team or handling a massive project, sometimes you want to ensure your project remains under wraps, accessible only to those who need to know. Let's explore just how you can accomplish this in Asana, a tool that's beloved for its simplicity and effectiveness in project management. Let's start by accessing the Asana website, which you can find at www.asana.com. If you're an existing user, simply click on the login button to access your dashboard. If you're new to Asana, you'll need to click on either Get Started or Try for free to create an account. Take a moment to log in, and once you're in, you'll be greeted with your dashboard, your hub for all things project related. Next, you'll need to navigate to the specific project you wish to make private. This is an important step because you want to ensure you're applying these changes to the correct project. Once you've clicked on that project and you have it open in front of you, look towards the top right corner of your screen. Here you'll find a share button. This button is key, acting as your gateway to manage your project's accessibility. After clicking the share button, you will see various options related to who can access the project. Look for an option labeled Access Settings, underneath which you'll find a drop-down arrow. Go ahead and click that arrow to reveal a list of access options. Here is where you can set who gets to see your project. For maximum privacy, you'll want to choose private to members. This setting ensures that only people you specifically invite can see and work on the project. It's a straightforward way to maintain confidentiality, giving you peace of mind that the information only reaches the intended members. And there you have it. By selecting your desired privacy settings, your project will now be private. Only those you've personally invited will have access to it, ensuring your project stays just as private as you need it to be. This adaptability makes Asana a powerful tool for maintaining project confidentiality while still managing tasks effectively. Making a project private in Asana is as easy as that. By following these simple, clear steps, you're in control of your project's privacy. Just remember, if you ever need to change these settings, the process is just as simple. Thank you for joining me today. Keep these steps in mind whenever you need to shield your project from unintended viewers, and happy managing.